Guys, this is cool. That's our name. Okay, did they spell everything right? Look how pretty that is.
See if you could pop yours better than I did. Don't worry, it's just water.
Mine's not.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, that is good. I feel like I should have had that instead.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to Dan and Shell here in the United States of America. This is wild, making a video here in our own home. We have not done this in obviously a very long time. And as much as we are missing being in exotic countries somewhere in the world, there's something about home that is kind of nice.
Like making my own turkey sammy.
We made a lot of turkey sammies over the past 8 months, but there's something about making one in your own kitchen that's just kind of nice. In our last video, we asked you guys to get down in the comments and ask us any question about our last 8 months of travel, as well as just any kind of wonderful comment. You guys just pulled through. I think we had nearly 1,000 comments on that video, so thank you guys. We are definitely gonna dig into some of that, answer some of the most frequently asked questions, starting with Shell. What was your favorite stop in the last 8 months?
You know, guys, that's a hard one. I feel like that's the #1 question we've been getting from everybody, like our family, everybody, since we've been home. And I really think we need to come up with better answers because to me, there's just too many. Okay, Daniel and I might have to answer this one separately because I'm not sure that our answers are the same, but I think that we have a lot of the same.
Yeah.
One of my favorite places we went to though had to have been Kleftico off of Milos, Greece. That place blew my mind. I don't really think Daniel and I had really an idea of like what we were getting ourselves into. We'd seen like a few things on social media, maybe Google imaged a couple things, but it was kind of like a last minute like, oh my gosh, we have to go do this, let's just go do it. It was unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. One of my favorite things for sure that we did over the last 8 months.
Kleftico was awesome. I think we definitely share that as like one of our favorite stops over the full 8 months. And I think one of the big reasons for that was it was just such a special experience. We actually booked this outing very last minute. We did not really know what to expect, but when we got out on that sailboat, just hit the open waters off of Milos, it was amazing. And one of the crew members, Julian, he was the man. He would take us out in the little dinghy. We zipped through all these amazing caves, went down deep in these caves, found the most blue water we've ever seen in our lives. We saw some other great blue-green water in Capri.
That was incredible too. Like the Green Grotto, that place blew my mind too.
Mind-blowing, obviously. Yes. But Kleftico, there were just so many caves and it was so like exclusive thanks to Julian just taking us out on that dinghy. It made the experience absolutely unbelievable. Where's ours, bud? Mom just taking care of herself.
You already ate! You made yourself lunch already. Where was my lunch? I'll make you one. You want one? I make a mean turkey Sammy. That's a turkey wrap, but I make a mean turkey anything.
Now guys, this is a really hard question because while Kleftico was like a very unique, very epic, very awesome stop, I do think that, and I think this is for both of us, that summiting Kilimanjaro right at the very beginning of our trip was probably one of the most epic, life-changing, transformative experiences we've ever had.
It was honestly like spiritual for me. Like it was just one of those moments I will never forget. Ever, ever, ever. Very grateful we did that.
I think also what made Kilimanjaro, summiting that mountain, so special was we had to work for that. Like we had to work hard for that. Every day, you guys, we were going 5 to 8 miles up the mountainside, camping at night. It was not the easiest thing we've ever done, but it was by far the most rewarding. And usually those things are. Usually the things you have to work for are the most special, are the most rewarding, and we definitely saw that with Kilimanjaro. And then the other reason this question is so hard is because Iceland was awesome, Japan was awesome, Singapore is amazing, Thailand was awesome. Italy was incredible. We were there forever and it was awesome. There's just so many.
Finland was out of this world.
Yeah, I just forget about them. There's so many awesome experiences over those 8 months. Comment down below if you guys had a favorite video, favorite country over the last 8 months. We'd love to hear about it. They're all very special to us, but we want to know what was special
your favorite?
To you.
I missed my turkey Sammys.
I know.
Sure. We actually ate a lot of turkey Sammys while we were out.
Yeah, but this is a little on the gourmet side.
I know. This is a turkey wrap. Normally I would like toast this, but I don't have the energy today. And then this is yogurt, cottage cheese, strawberries, and cinnamon. Strawberries are a little old, but I'm fine with it.
All right, you guys, we got something pretty exciting here that we have definitely been saving and waiting to open with all of you, because we would not have this if it wasn't for you guys.
This actually came while we were traveling. Many of you might remember
Ta-da!
we hit 100,000 subscribers when we were in Singapore, and it was incredible. So awesome. We got to celebrate in Singapore. YouTube sent this out. We actually had it delivered to my mom's house because we were still gone, and we were like, we can't open this without all of you. So the time has come. We're opening our YouTube play button.
So it was kind of funny how we actually got the play button. We got home and we were having a fun little welcome home thing over at Brandon and Mindy's new gorgeous home. And we're playing a little question answer game. Shelle's mom asked, where were you guys when you hit 100,000? And Shelle and my minds both kind of went blank.
Yeah, we were like, oh crap, were we in
Wait, where
Rome?
were we?
Were we in Singapore? Like, we could not remember.
We figured out, oh yeah, it was Singapore, for sure Singapore. And right then, Brandon and Mindy come out with these 100K balloons and the play button.
You guys, that's a huge milestone.
It's my favorite part. Are there more? Oh yeah, there's one more, there's one more.
Okay, nothing.
Nothing yet. Ready? 3, 2. Oh gosh.
Paper, okay, cool.
Paper, okay.
Oh my gosh. Wow, it's so shiny. Do not get your fingerprints
I
on
know,
that.
I don't want to touch it at all. Guys, this is cool. That's our name. Okay, did they spell everything right? Our names are really hard to spell, so.
Oh my god.
Look how pretty that is.
This is pretty cool, guys. Like, I don't think I've won a cooler award than this right here.
I know, I don't think I've gotten a cooler trophy than this one. What does that say about us?
I mean, it's hard to beat, guys. Only the million one will beat this. And for this next question, we gotta take a little bit of a road trip. You ready?
Let's do this.
Louie!
We're ready.
Buddy, should we go? Wanna go on a little trip? Let's go, let's go.
Okay. Okay, another one of the many questions is what did we miss most while traveling? Number 1, this guy.
Louie! He's looking at Maverick.
Gooey.
Let's just see the badge. Oh, Louie! He loves his sports sack, huh, pal?
You love that.
Yeah.
Number 2, our bed. And a very close third, fountain sodas with lots of ice. Nothing hits better. And our final, most commonly asked question, are we done traveling? The answer is no. We're actually packing up right now, you guys. We are heading somewhere really exciting. Get down in the comments, drop your guesses where you think we are going. It's a good one, guys. It's a good one.
Kind of surprised you guys are even asking if we're done traveling. I don't think we'll ever be done traveling until I just can't do it anymore. But we love it. Obviously, our channel revolves around it. We'll never be done traveling, per se. I will even say, guys, after 8 months, I would say we both were maybe mildly exhausted, a little bit tired.
Mildly exhausted, yeah. We were tired. We were ready for a little bit of a breather. But after being home for literally just a weekend, it took us about a solid weekend to really kind of move back into the house and everything that we had in storage, get it all back here, get settled. And both of us kind of looked at each other and was like, well, let's go again.
I'd jump on a plane right now.
Yeah, after like a solid weekend, we were like, okay, let's get another flight booked. Let's get back out there. So we are so excited when this opportunity came our way. We're going again.
As if the flight home from Japan wasn't long enough. As Chelle said, we're literally boarding another plane in a couple days to go all the way back to the other side of the world. So it's gonna be incredible. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed all the way along that epic 8-month journey, helping us hit 100,000 subscribers. Cannot thank you enough. But stay tuned, guys. We definitely have some epic things coming your way. And
we'll see you then.